Wynnum Manly did battle with the PNG Hunters in Harvey Norman Women in League round at Kougari Oval. Jordan Drew opened the scoring for Wynnum in the first minutes. Drew was in again just 6 minutes later as Wynnum extended their lead. Mitch Cronin scored in the 11th minute for Wynnum. 4 tries in the opening 14 minutes for the Seagulls. Cronin grabbed his second. Edene Sorensen McGee was next to score, the 5th try of the first half. Next to score for the Seagulls was Jack Goodsell. Finally some points for PNG. Junior Rao crossed with 4 minutes left in the first half. At the break, Wynnum were in front, 36 points to 4. Ed Burns scored the first of his 3 second-half tries just after the resumption of play in the second half. Lachlan Lee added his name to the score sheet. Ed Burns was next to score for Wynnum in the 62nd minute. Burns was in again 6 minutes later. Former Hunter Edene Gebbie scored in the 71st minute. Gebbie was in again with 6 minutes left in the game. In the end, Wynnum Manly too strong for the Hunters, winning 60 points to 4 in Harvey Norman Women in League round.